I finally made it back to YouTube. How have you guys been? I decided to film up a makeup tutorial video for you guys because a lot of people asked me in real life and also in my DMs how I do my makeup. So here it is, and as you could see, I started with my contact lenses and now I'm using a toner pad. It's an AHA one, so I first go in with the rough side to get rid of the dead skin and stuff, and then with the smoother side. After that, I use a hydrating serum to get my skin plump and shiny. And then for the important part, my SPF. Never forget that on your routine, please. Because even though the sun is pretty and stuff, we want to prevent those wrinkles. So for the next step, I'm using a primer. It's with aloe vera. It very helps with the next step because it's very grippy. Because on some days I like to use skin tint. Yeah, that was a little too much. Anyways, then I just blended everything in. So we have a nice base for the next products, which will be firstly this powder. This one is basically for making my face matte and to prevent creasing. The next powder has like a soft glow to it, that's why it's called soft glow powder. And I put it like on my cheekbones and the areas I want to be shiny. Yeah, that looks weird. Just trust the process. Cause now I'm taking off the excess powder and blending everything in. So it should look like this. Can you see the soft glow? So for the next step, I'm putting on my blush. I start with my cheekbones. And then with the same blush, I go on the tip of my nose and on the bridge of my nose. Because I think it looks cute that way. Also, I put it as my base eyeshadow. And what do we think so far? Okay, let's move on with my correct as eyeshadow palette. I use this brown shade to enhance the outer side of my eye and do like a wing, and also a little bit on the bottom of my eye. And with the same shade, I create a shadow for the aegyo as well as the top and the bottom of my lip. Next, I use this mini eyeshadow palette and go in with my pinky into the glitter part and put it on my eyelid. It's so cutesy, I love it. Then I go in with my eyelash curler to make those babies pop. And then, of course, mascara. And by the way, what's your favorite part of doing your makeup? Well, for me, I cannot decide between doing my eyelashes and my highlighter, which you will see later, because that baby pops as hell. So when I'm happy with my lashes, I jump to my eyebrows. I use this clear gel, so every hair is on its place where it belongs to be. Now I go back to my aegyo and do the highlighter part. Now everything is getting into shape. Damn, I forgot to mention that I also love doing my eyeliner because I love the way it makes my eye appear. Starting off with the wing first, of course, on both of my eyes. And then just outline the whole eye above the lashes. And then a little inner corner moment to create a pretty cat eye. Girl, I don't know why I do these faces. Anyways, I overdraw my Beauty Marks 2 with the eyeliner. I know it's black and stuff, but I don't know, I like it that way, and why not? Moving on to contouring, I first start with my cheekbones to get like a snatched face and also my jawline. And then of course my nose, I start from the bottom and move my way up to the top. As you can see here, I'm creating like a C shape, and then I just look if it's too harsh and stuff and blend everything out if it's necessary. And now for the fun part in magic, the highlighter. Girl, look at that glow. I just love this highlighter. I've got it in Icon Siam. I don't know what brand it is because I used it that much that the name went off, but I'm sure I will find it again because it's amazing. Like, girl, look at that glow. And for the next step, I'm putting my lip liner on top, bottom, and also on the middle of my lips. And then I usually put over lip gloss or lip oil. Today I chose lip oil. And then just rub it in and blend it with lip liner. Okay, so we're nearly done. We only need the fixing spray. So everything melts into our skin and stays at its place. And now it only has to dry and then we are ready. So this is my final look. I hope you liked it. I hope you liked the video. If so, please leave a like. Also comment down below what you want to see in the future from me. And if you've never seen me before, please leave a subscribe so we can see each other in the next video. Bye!